Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove header in Excel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Header and footer in Excel can help add essential information such as page numbers, dates, and titles to your document. If you're using Excel for creating spreadsheets, you might need to remove the header and footer at some point. A header is information that appears at the top of every page of your workbook or sheet, while a footer appears at the bottom of every page. You may want to remove header and footer from your spreadsheet. On my previous video, I've shown you how to add header on your spreadsheet on Excel. Now we'll show you how to remove it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Excel document. Now, as you can see in here, here's the header on my uh, Excel document, and I want to remove it. How to do it? So simple. So you can just double click on the header and you can just delete it. So the header will be removed from your Excel document. Or you can go to insert. There's an option header and footer. And like this, you can do the same thing. Delete the header. The header will be removed, will be deleted from your at the top of your Excel page document. And if you want to add new header again, you can just double click on add header and you can write down in here for your header. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove header on your Excel worksheet. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!